Konnichiwa! I am your Tito Eman in Japan, and we are here for another reaction video. Let's go! Yes, oh my God, grabe. Ngayon, I'm very excited for this reaction video because I'm going to react to a music video, the first solo music video and song of our dear Stel Ahero of SB19! Yes! Oh my God! Alam ko na kagaya ko na mga 18 fanboys at fangirls and everybody in between, hinintay natin ng matagal na magkaroon ng debut si Stel. Alam na natin yung storya kung bakit matagal siyang nagkaroon ng solo debut. But this is the moment we have all been waiting for and we are so excited. And so, hindi na natin patatagalin. We're going to do a stop and go reaction, and then later on, we are going to do our general reaction to the music video of Room performed by Stel. Here we go! Okay, syempre dapat nakasalamin tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari dito, okay? Let's do our stop and react video. Here we go. Onesie Entertainment. Ito yung tinitiis niya na audition na akala natin totoong audition, no? Wow! Wait, o diba? Hindi pa nga nag-uumpisa, meron na agad reaction. Gusto ko palang sabihin na I believe that recently, in the past few years actually, SB19 videos have been a trailblazer in terms of production quality. Yung tipo ngayon, kapag gumawa ka ng music video, meron ng standard na sinet ng SB19. And dito, opening pa lang, just the opening of the video lets you know that this is going to be a good production. Di ba? So there's a room, so like an open mic, an audition. Scouts to, no? Yeah. So the scouts are featured in the video too. Yes! Oh, the one and only Tita Baby. I love it. I love the representation of the LGBTQ community. Happy Pride Month nga pala sa lahat ng mga miyembro ng LGBTQ community, of course. And I'm so happy that this is here. Parang this is giving me some grandiose, burlesque-y vibe. Diba? Parang, alam mo yung kay Christina Aguilera, yung sa burlesque, yung nag-audition siya, tapos parang nobody was trying to believe in her, but she's going to prove herself, she's going to prove them wrong. Tingnan natin, parang ganito yung mangyayari kay Stel, no? Let's see.
Here's the stage, everyone!
Oh, si Lance! Lance is a theater performer. You have to watch Lance perform in theater productions. Boy Next Door. Mag-change siya dito. Sabi sa'yo.
You on my mind, my oh my. Come and get it, so let's talk about it in my room.
Dali lang. Wait, grabe. Huy, sandali. May ano, merong may kilabot factor. Hindi yung kilabot na ano ha, na cringe ha, yung kilabot na oh my, as in nararamdaman ko honestly, like parang pag ikaw ba naman binulungan ni Stel sa kahit na ano ka, 'di ba? Kung babae ka o kahit na, ang tawag dito, 18 fanboy ka, parang pag binulungan ka naman ni Stel sa tenga, parang mahirap naman yun. Tingnan mo naman yung pagkakapost ko ng video, ito yung titig ni Stel sa camera, yung parang right back at ya. Sige na Stel, ituloy na natin to.
Hope you're ready, 'cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say.
O, diba? Nakita nyo yun? It's giving genderless. It's giving pansexual energy. It's giving, you know, Stel is for everyone. Diba? Parang ganun. Yung parang no matter who you are, no matter what gender, Stell has an impact on you. And I think it's true, di ba? Saya! I love the boundaries that Stell is breaking in this music video. I am here for it. And I know you are too. Let's continue.
Answer this energy that's within me. Might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me.
Diba? Pinagpapawisan na sila.
Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living.
Diba? Kung tatanong ko kayo, bakit parang alam ko na yung kanta? Siyempre, nung nirelease yung lyric video, baka ilang beses ko nang napanood yun. Parang siguro mga 100 dun sa 200,000 views ng video. Parang sa akin yun galing. Kasi super ang saya lang nung vibe nung kanta. I'm so happy that Stell released this kind of material kasi, well, dun sa kanta pa lang, it already showcases his vocal power. Kahit pa upbeat yung kanta, alam mong it's a Stell song kasi it's vocally powerful. It's giving, dama yung musical influences niya rito, and it's giving Bruno Mars and Michael Jackson and Justin Timberlake, you know, it's very, very funky pop, you know, which Bruno Mars is very associated with, especially recently. And kita natin to. But you know, Stell makes it his own genre. And in terms of Philippine pop, in terms of OPM, this is one of its kind. Like the funky pop. Parang kailan ba tayo huling nakarinig ng funky pop OPM, di ba? Tapos, ano, it's actually a very Stell thing to do. Nung umpisa, akala ko, a Stell thing to do would be a powerful pop ballad. Pero mali tayo doon. Actually, a Stell thing to do would be something to showcase all his talents, singing, dancing, even acting, and being gorgeous. Yes? Diba? Can we all agree with that? Let's continue.
And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. Might have sent you way too high. Hope you come alive.
Ang daldal ko na, no? Yes! Kaya pala madaming nagre-react tsaka tumitilig ng mga 18 eh. Oh. May panipon. Kaya nyo yun? Matutuloy ba yung kissing scene na to? Pag natuloy ito, marami magwawala. Talaga nga naman, in this room, there's no one living. Leaving pala. Dance break! Oh, si Jay yun, ano? Grabe yung tumbling ni ano. May tumbling siya doon. Yes. And the chair. The chair could never. Yes. Come on. Let's party. Woo!
Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt.
May kissing scene. Hindi natuloy. Saya kayo? Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God, this dance.
Can you read the room?
Can you read the room?
Read the room. Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Oh. Gusto gusto nyo yon, I hate to break it to you, but in this room, there's no one leaving. Sinara talaga niya yung room. They're all gonna be staying there. Grabe! Ano ba? Nakakaloka. Tingnan nga natin yung credits. Tingnan mo natin yung credits. So, this was... Yes, Tita Baby, of course. Tsaka si Lance. Music written by Pablo. Produced by Rad Kids. Wow! Grabe, no? Executive producer, creative director, Justin De Dios. Cian Avancenia. Grabe. Tapos Onesie Entertainment. Sino yung kaano nila rito? Yumi As na naman. Siyempre, iba talaga mag-produce din yung Yumi As, ano? Tsaka ang kanilang director, si Curbs Balagtas. Guys, kapag may mga ganito na mga videos, babasahin nyo talaga yung credits. Pagtsagaan yung basahin. Get to know the people behind the wonderful creations of any artist. Siyempre, especially SB19. Diba? Tsaka yan, mga berries, friends and families of Stel. And 18! Thank you very much. Grabe, nakakatuwa, ano? Okay, sige, isara muna natin yung video. Tapos mag-general reaction na tayo. Parang ang dami ko nang na-react. Pero kayo, ano bang masasabi nyo? Dun sa mga sinabi ko na kanina, agree ba kayo? Disagree? May iba kayong opinion? Ano yung masasabi nyo pa? Sandali, magsistretch lang ako ng paa kasi... Yay! Grabe! Anyway, let's go to our general reactions to the video. Ayan, tanggalin natin yung salamin natin para walang reflection. It's such a wonderful experience watching it and admiring everything that's in the music video. It's a pretty straightforward music video. It doesn't have a change of setting. It does not even have a change of costume except that flip between the normal dressing style and that flashy dress, which is probably a dream sequence when he was imagining that he already nailed the audition. It's a pretty straightforward production. It's a simple one, but the editing makes it just so powerful, catchy. It's such a vibe. Parang ang sarap-sarap niyang pakinggan habang naglalakad ka or nag-exercise ka or nagda-drive ka or if you are not confident with yourself and you want to be motivated and you want to be confident before entering a room, before performing something, parang ang sarap niyang gawing anthem, di ba? It's an anthem of confidence, sabi nga nila dito. It's an anthem of, a provocative anthem of confidence. So I'm really, really happy to see this. And I think this is trailblazing not only among the members of SB19, but also in P-pop and in OPM. This has got to be one of my favorite P-pop releases. Kasi it's very Stel, it's very P-pop, but it also caters to every kind of market. Parang, alam mo yun? There was thought into it na parang hindi lang Stel berries ang i-cater natin, pati ibang market. So I really hope that this song, this music video goes places, gets recognized, and I hope Stel gets recognized because Stel deserves it. Una sa lahat, alam mo, I have a very, 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 very soft spot for Stel. Baka maging emotional tayo nito. Kasi, kung kagaya nyo ako na nakita yung growth ng SB19 from 2019 hanggang ngayon, isa si Stel sa feeling ko pinaka nag-struggle. And if you will see his interviews in the past, even for promoting Room, lagi niyang sinasabi na, the song is not just about a literal room, it's about a space in himself where he holds all the confidence despite all the fright that he has, yung doubt niya sa sarili niya. There's a place in his heart where it's a very, very confident Stel, and this is what he is showing right now. It took a lot for him to do a solo project because he doubted himself for a very, very long time. And nakita nyo naman noong nag-uumpisa siya, ang daming niyang bashers, ang daming nagda-doubt sa kanya, ang daming pumupula sa kanya. But look where he is now. He's so talented. He's probably one of the busiest, most visible members of SB19. He's got the Voice Kids. He was the star. Hindi man niya sinasadya. He became the star of Mr. Ryan Cayabyab's concert. He's guesting at Eric Santos' concert. Two of my most favorite singers. Oh my God, I am a big fan of Eric Santos. Kung meron lang tour sa Japan, panonoorin ko talaga yon. But he deserves everything. He deserves whatever he has right now, and he deserves more because he has worked hard for it. He has endured all the pain, all the hardship. And when somebody is so hardworking like that and so enduring like that, wala kang choice. You have no choice but to cheer for them when they achieve what they want to achieve and when they finally get to prove their naysayers wrong. Nothing. Wala na. This is it. And I know this is only the start because Stella's just released his schedule and he will be very, very busy until August. Guys, nakita ko na sa August meron siyang tour sa Manila. Uuwi ako sa Manila sa August. Ay, hindi pala sa Manila. Sa Philippines meron siyang tour. Sana makita ko siya kung saan man siya magtutour pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas sa August. I'm so happy and I know you are happy too. Thank you very much. Ang daldal ko na naman. Siyempre ako to, kaya madaldal ako. Lalo na kapag nakapag-coke, nakapag-soft drinks tayo kanina. So, inom muna tayo. Thank you very much for joining me in this reaction video. You know that as your 18 Tito and 18 Teacher Eman in Japan, I will always be proud to be Pinoy and always proud to be 18 and will always carry and promote SB19 wherever I go. And of course, I am OT5, but right now I have a very, very soft spot for Stel and I really wish for him and everybody, all the boys, to succeed. Kaya tayong lahat, magtulungan tayo and let's not only promote OPM but let's promote SB19, our boys, at the same level. Huwag mag-away, huwag mang-aaway, and just be positive in promoting them, okay? So, thank you very much, 18. This has been your Tito Eman in Japan. See you again next time. Bye! Arigatou gozaimashita.